Passing the Panama Canal, there is no space for mistake. We have approximately 2 feet on each side and, of course, the weather conditions.
1 and 2 center hole, stop thruster.
Drop the scale to 0.25.
0.25. 0.25 right now.
For today, we have the average number, which is 40. We'll have 40 ships going north and 40 ships going southbound. So being northbound 19 means we're the 8th vessel of the morning going from the Pacific to the north, which is the Caribbean.
Thrust to port half. 2 center brake, 1 center coil in.
We have this piece of glass, so you can see vertically down from the wing to the side of the vessel how close you are coming to the pier. Panama Canal is considered one of the modern wonders of the world. It's the highlight of the cruise. They cannot believe how difficult it is to stay without touching the sides of the wall. They expect to see the elevating of the vessel, which is like something you could not expect to see, that a vessel actually of this size and this magnitude will go into 3 steps up and then 3 steps down.